Ando here, and welcome to topic 6. We are nearing the end of this course, so I definitely want you to stay with me on this video because I'm going to cover this very important CLC assignment in which every student will need to participate and have a written portion. So definitely stick with me for a few minutes on this video. And then in addition, I'm going to cover the peer evaluation that you will do for those people in your group that's directly connected to this assignment. So just a couple of housekeeping notes. Topic 6 starts on Monday, November 14th, and everything is due by Sunday, the 27th. Also understanding that here, Thursday, November 24th is Thanksgiving Day. So let me wish you and your family happy early Turkey Day, and I hope you enjoy it with friends and loved ones. So let's go ahead and get into topic 6 here. We're going to go in through this topic on the left-hand side. So again, I'm not going to spend a lot of time here, but we already know we've got our 4 discussions, right, that are due throughout the topic. And then we also have our weekly, in this case, bi-weekly participation that covers topic 6 within 2 weeks. So make sure that we have our 12 posts minimum for those 2 weeks, and that we are logged into the course at least 6 times. That's 3 times per week. Okay, I'm going to do it backwards math here. So that way you can get full credit. And then lastly is make sure that you are asking open-ended questions to your peers so we can continue the feedback. You all have done a much better job in the last couple of weeks asking questions, and the engagement has been phenomenal. Okay, don't forget that in topic 6, all of your resources are located over here on the left-hand side. So you definitely want to access all of these resources here that you can use for your assignment and also to answer the discussion questions. Now, let me start right here with the peer evaluation. Again, this is a very simple form that each of you will fill out individually, and you will submit that form to me in the assignment area. Okay. Now, to locate that form, if you don't know where to locate it, you want to definitely go to the class resources. So if you look over here on the left-hand side, you should see a tab that says class resources. You want to go ahead and click on that, and then you want to go ahead and find that peer evaluation form, which is located right here. And you'll see you have a link right here. Once you click on that link, then that evaluation form is going to open for you. You will just fill this out, read the information. You do need comments for yourself and for everyone that you are scoring in your group. And then again, you will submit this as an individual assignment. No one will see how you score. And again, keep the scoring fair to those people that are inside of your group. And this is based on their participation for this assignment only, and not for anything that may have happened in the past. Okay, so again, that is located in the classroom resources. Now let's head back over inside of the topic 6 area, and let's take a look at the actual CLC vision and mission statement analysis. Again, you have multiple weeks to get this completed. A couple of key notes is this is worth 80 points. And again, I encourage you to open up the rubric link right here and take a look at what's required of you. Now, I had mentioned this earlier, and hopefully you are already communicating this inside of your group. But again, you're going to be basically evaluating and taking a look at 2 different organizations, okay, as it mentions it right here, right, with the vision and the mission statement. You can use some of these well-known companies. I'm okay with that, okay? But again, you can go off of these companies and use others as well. You need 1,500 words or more to receive full credit in that area. If a group submits under 1,500, then you're going to lose points for not meeting the minimum word count. Don't forget to embed these 9 bullet points inside of your essay. Again, you're not going to write this and then write under it. You're going to incorporate it just like you would any other essay using good APA headers and subheaders. Again, you need to locate articles, okay, at least 4 articles that support the organization's mission and vision. You need to have APA, and this does require Lopes Write. So again, just a few reminders on that Lopes Write similarity index score. You really should be anywhere between 0 and maybe 2% max, because all this work should be original content. It should be paraphrased. You should not be quoting from anything that you're reading. You should be paraphrasing it. If you have one direct quote, that's fine. But again, you don't want to get that quote count up too high. I would say maybe one per paper is more than enough. And then again, one person for the team, okay, will submit this on behalf of your CLC group. So again, if you've divided this up, let's say one person is doing the first 2 questions, another person is doing 3 and 4, 5 and 6, what have you, right? Everyone will submit their work in the CLC group so I can validate your participation and your work. There's not one student that should be writing this whole paper, okay? Everyone needs to submit a portion of this assignment, okay? And then I can verify that inside of the CLC group. But again, one person will submit the paper on behalf of the team. Now, in a separate video, which you'll see at the end of this video, I'll be linking up the sample paper video for this. Take a look at it. Take a look at the format. See how that group put together this assignment. Look at the APA. Look at the title page. So copy the format. Just insert your own information. Especially some of you that are still struggling with APA and title pages and you're not using headers or subheaders. Look at how they broke up their paper, and then you can just do the exact same thing, but obviously it's going to have your research. Okay? So that pretty much covers topic 6. This will be another 2 weeks inside of this course, and we've only got topics 7 and 8 remaining. So that video should be appearing on your screen now. Go ahead and click on that video and take a look at the sample paper video. If you have any questions, you can send me a message inside the course or inside our group Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.